Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's continue with section 6.4. Notice the directions to this rational equation: solve and check. Whenever I start with a rational equation, the first thing I do is I look in the denominators and I make sure that every denominator is factored. And the reason that I do that, factoring the denominators helps me to find the restricted values. And remember what I mean by a restricted value. Any number that makes the denominator become 0 when you plug it into the variable. So it's obvious here the answer, one of the restricted values is -2. This restricted value is +2. So my RVs, so far x cannot equal a plus or a -2. Now when I factor this denominator, I start by pulling out a 2. That leaves me with x squared minus 4, but that factors more as x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay? So basically, this is my new denominator. But notice the restricted value here would be -2 and a +2. We already have those. Okay? So now our next step is to multiply through by the LCD. So I basically have this equation, okay? This is what my equation looks like right now. I'm rewriting it. And I'm going to multiply each term through by the LCD. The LCD will be this. It's got all the factors in it that we need from the denominator. So 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. We're multiplying. 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. And another 2, x plus 2, x minus 2. Here when I multiply, this all cancels, leaving me with a 1. Here when I multiply, the x minus 2's cancel. I have a 2, an x plus 2, and an 8. 2 times 8 is 16, and then 16 times x plus 2 is 16x plus 32. Okay, watch that again. 2 times 8 is 16. When I distribute the 16 to the x plus 2, I get this. On the other side, the x plus 2's cancel. 9 times 2 is 18. I distribute the 18. 18 times x is 18x. 18 times 2 is 36. I collect like terms over here. So I have 16x plus 33 is equal to 18x minus 36. I subtract 18x from both sides, and I do the same with 33. I'm trying to get all my x's on the left. I get a -2x is equal to a -69. Divide by -2, and I get the answer 69/2, which I'm going to accept as the correct answer, because 69/2 is not one of my restricted values. So we're done.